Hi, viewers. Today we are joined by Rizwana Iqbal, who's a remarkable individual who has not only excelled in NEET MDS but also secured a coveted job in Odisha through the PSC exam. And what makes her story even more inspiring is that her journey as a young mother with balancing her family and intense exam preparation has been really fruitful. So, welcome, Rizwana.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. I'm excited to be here. Thank you, everyone.
Likewise. Rizwana, let's start from the beginning. Now, you've had quite a journey moving between Mumbai and Chennai and studying and carrying your baby. What kept you motivated through this entire challenging period?
Sir, actually, my journey started during my BDS in Jamia Millia Islamia, Delhi. Considering the competitive environment there in the campus and the hostel, I started my casual preparation during my internship. During BDS, my father quite motivated me to pursue for master. Immediately after my internship, I got married and locked down due to COVID. I spent like 6 months with my in-laws, and they were very supportive. They also want me to pursue my masters. My father-in-law, my mother-in-law, and my father, my husband, they all were very supportive, and they keep me motivated that you can do. Like after 6 months I moved to Mumbai. Then again I started my fresh preparation there. I studied there, and then after 1 year we moved to Chennai. Then again I started my preparation, and meanwhile I got GDC Srinagar OP. But at that time I couldn't opt because what I was pregnant at that time, so I did not opt for that. This year I got MDS. Matlab, I mean I get good rank. So I opt for RIMS Kadapa, and I opted RIMS because it's nearby. Like my husband is also living in Andhra, so like he can come every weekend. So that's why I opted this. Also, I also qualified for Orissa PSC this year. I gave the exam with my daughter. She was like 4 months when I gave the exam, and now the result came. She's 6 months now.
Well, that's truly commendable and inspiring. And now, coming to your preparation, how did you manage everything so efficiently? Preparing for competitive exams, especially with a daughter that's 4 month old. How did you go about it?
So actually, my husband and my daughter are a part of are part of this sweet journey. Normally, I used to study early morning. Like I wake up early in the morning and I study. I used to study like 5 to 6 hours. I am fortunate enough to have the supportive husband. We share the responsibility together, and we manage home. Together, and he helped me in everything. My mother-in-law and father-in-law, they were also supportive in this period, and like 5 to 6 hours for me is enough. I do This is what I did in my preparation period.
That's amazing. So you had a good support system, a good backing,
Yes,
and
yes,
it's
very
really
supportive. Everybody
fascinating.
is supportive. My husband,
Amazing.
my father-in-law, my mother-in-law, she's no more. I miss her. I miss her sweet gesture. But she was also very supportive. My sisters, they are my backbone. Like they always keep on motivating me. You can do, like every time.
Amazing. So it's really fascinating actually how you've managed everything so well, juggling between all your roles. And in this journey, how significant was Meritor's app in your preparation?
The Meritor app is one-step solution, whether it is NEET, JR, or PSC exam. This app has huge number of practice questions. Like I used to give test daily, whether I read or not. I just give the test. If I'm getting some wrong question, I just go to either through the video or just
Mhm.
read the byte, clear my concept, and then again question. What I did, I did all question bank, like 20,000 questions. I did every question, and like I am traveling, I am going here and there. I keep on seeing the questions. It's my habit. Whether I am traveling or going any other place, Anya, I used to do the questions daily. Matlab, this
That's
becomes my
that's
habit.
good. Yeah, it's a handy tool, of course, but like you
Yes,
mentioned that you spoke about Bytes, you spoke about QBank, you spoke
yes.
about test series. Can you elaborate on any specific feature of these that really comes to your
Question
mind that
banks
help you?
question banks have specific topics so that clear your doubts.
Mhm.
Matlab, you can and also the book form, you can easily revise those questions. Matlab, this helped me a lot. Like if you don't have enough time, you just go through the book form and you read every question. You can go through every each and every questions. This I did in my last few days. I just opened in the book form and I read every questions, and then again next topic. Like this I did for question bank. And also the that bookmark in my few days, when few days were left, like 2 to 3 days, yeah, 1 week, what I did was I just in the form of book I read those bookmark questions. This is what I used to do. And in Bytes the tables are giving and the images were giving, so I used to read the tables, whole tables. They are very informative and they are very useful. Also um they are very matlab, you can easily revise with these tables. That the whole chapter you can revise with these tables. This is like that. And the videos for me, like if I don't get the concept, I watch the video. Otherwise, I don't prefer to watch the video. It's like that.
No, but I think you've covered almost all the features and you've used all of them
Yes,
intricately
yes.
and made sure that, you can take the most of this app, which is amazing. It's quite impressive. Do you have any
I am
experience? Sorry, go ahead. Yes.
actually I am linked to Meritor since I started my preparation. I never used any question bank. Even I never used Pulse.
Oh,
I
really?
whatever I did, also this is what I did.
Did you get a chance to read the explanations also? Were you thinking about, did you read
Yeah,
a lot of
yeah.
explanations? Yes.
Yes. Actually, I used to read the explanation of only the those 200 questions. Or
Mhm.
sir, what it say? I don't remember. Those
Previous year
200 questions,
questions.
important 200 questions
Yes.
previously. Those I used to read. Those I
Mhm.
used to read. And when the comes like when exam is coming, like 1 week, what I used to do, I just keep on go through the questions. No bites, nothing else, just questions. So
Right.
this reminds me everything.
That's
Question
the
banks covers
correct
a lot of
approach.
things. For me,
Mhm.
question bank is very helpful for me.
Very interesting. Did you also use the WhatsApp feature where you can
Yes,
speak
yes,
to the faculties and
yes.
interaction? Were you constantly involved with that experience?
Yes, actually, when then many times I posted my question. They used to answer like in the evening or in the morning. They used to answer. It's very good. Matlab, I used to get every answer of the questions in which I'm
So
stuck.
it's a handy tool, right? Well, it's not
Yes,
only about passing the exam, Rizwana, of course. We also understand all the challenges that you went through with all the determination.
yes.
Now, I'm sure a lot of students are watching this video. Do you have any advice in your mind that you would like to give to our aspiring students, especially who might be, juggling with other roles in their lives like you did?
To maintain the consistency in study. First, maintain the consistency. If you are consistent, you can crack any exam. Number of hours depend on the individual. Like if a mother, if she is the mother, she can give only 5 to 6 hours. Depends on the individual. How can she managing the study? Please don't study 15 hours a day. If a person is studying 15 hours a day and just for 3 days stamina and then 4 days no study, this will never work. So study in small slots but continuous. This is what I did. I used to study for 2 hours only, but keep on studying. If I am not reading anything, I am doing questions. If I am not doing questions, I am reading the tables. If I am not doing that, so I just read the video. Anything, do anything, but keep on study. This is what I did.
Very, you've really touched the core of the kind of preparation strategy that we always talk about because we need consistency. Small, significant
Yes.
steps are better than large, inconsistent
Yes,
steps,
sir.
of course.
So,
And one,
sir,
yes. Go ahead. Tell
So
me.
actually, this is what happened with me. Now, what I did, I started when I will do, and I studied for like 9 hours, 12 hours. I studied for 2 days, 3 days, then I dead. No study for
Yeah.
3 days. This
Of
is
course,
what
you will get
happened with me.
exhausted. Yeah, that's
Yes,
very normal. You get exhausted and then you lose the motivation. But I'm
and
so
then
happy to listen to your journey and amazing.
like
One
this.
last final question, Rizwana. For someone who's just starting the preparation journey, would you recommend Meritor's app to its fullest potential? Like, do you think it's
Yes,
the one thing?
yes. Even I am recommending Meriters only to my juniors. Do Meriters.
Amazing.
If you want to
Amazing.
excel in exam, do Meriters thoroughly and each and every question. Do question banks, read bytes. I know bytes are very lengthy, but clear your concept. In the last moment, you can do the tables. They are enough. And if you do the question banks twice, thrice, then you remember the concept fully.
Right.
It's like
Correct.
this. And if you are stucking in any topic you are not understanding, go through the videos. You can watch the video, and they are quite helpful. And give with the exam continuously, like everyday test. They also help you keep on track. And every weekend test. If you are not even, if you don't know what to do and you have not read anything, also at that time also you should give the exam. Go
Mm-hmm.
through the patterns of questions. It's like this is what I did. Even I am not
Right.
prepared, I gave the exam. Last year though I was in between like two third and fourth ranks in NEET MDS exams, which my
Wow.
writers used to give. This is what I did.
You've come a long way. You've excelled thoroughly. Thank you so much, Rizwana, for sharing this excellent journey with us. And I'm sure your story will be an inspiration for so many other students who will be watching this video in our app on YouTube. We don't know how we motivate people. So your hard work and dedication definitely has brought you success. Big congratulations to you, and we wish you the best in your future endeavors.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
It was a
Thanks,
pleasure,
Barata
Rizwana.
team. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.